Welcome back to my new video, my dear technician. Check this out. One of my technician brought this phone to me. According to him, he told me that the phone is not turning on. And I asked him some questions. What really happened to the phone before the phone stopped working? And he told me that they were charging the phone. So during the process of charging, the phone stopped working. The phone just shut down like that. They tried to power it on. It was not working. The phone was not powering. You may ask, Father Joe, what causes the phone to shut down during the process of charging? The problem is actually from the charger they use. They use the wrong charger to charge it. My dear technician, check this out. Right here, you can see we have a lot of shorts. Check this out. We have a lot of shorts and we have solder paste around. From the look of things here, you can see that they have already worked on this phone. They have tried to fix this phone, still not working. My dear technician, from the look of things here, this phone needs separation. We have to separate the board and check. Check this out. From the reading here, you can see the ground is reading perfectly. The positive is shorting. The VBAT is shorting. My dear technician, we have a short called half short. So we have to use our DC power supply and confirm before we proceed. My dear technician, when using a DC power supply to inject voltage like this, I strongly recommend you turn on OCP, overcurrent protection. Check this out. Immediately I turn on the output, you can see OCP start blinking, meaning that there is a short. There is a short. So for us to fix the short, we have to separate the board. It's very, very important. By the technician, before I separate the board, the technician that brought this phone to me told me that this particular shell was heating up. So we have a charge IC right here. So I need to open the shell and check before I proceed. Okay, check this out. So right now I'm using my small cutting machine. Check this out. You can see. Check this out. It's cutting very, very well. You have to take your time to do it because any small mistake you do by the technician, you can destroy. You understand? You can damage the phone. So you have to be very, very careful. You can see I'm taking my time to do this. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. As a technician, I'm taking my time to do this. Check this out. Check this out. I'm taking my time to do this. I'm taking my time to do this. I'll be done. 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 Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. As a technician, you have to be very, very careful. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out. I'm taking my time to do this, so take your time to do yours. Just got it very well. Take your time. Don't rush. Let me check and be sure of the IC, whether it's this charge IC that is having the issue. If it's from this one, no problem. Good, we have it available. We will change it and make sure this phone is back on. If it is the main charging IC inside, then there's no problem. We are going to separate it. So right now you can see we have removed the shell. Right here you can see the IC. My detonation, from the look of things right here, is not from the IC. Nothing is wrong with the IC. Okay, nothing is wrong with the IC. So we can proceed and separate the board and check the inside, check how it is. Okay, if you have questions, feel free, let me know in the comment section. Right now you can see I'm taking my time to do this. I want you to take your time to do this. You can see I'm taking my time to do this. You have to be very, very careful. Okay, you have to be very, very careful. Make sure you try with the Duno board, before you try with a working board, please. I don't want you to focus on my phone. So you have to be very, very careful. You can say I'm careful. Okay, I'm taking my time to do this. Check this out. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. So I've successfully separated the board. You can see. Very simple. Check this out. So the inside we have a lot of flux. My dear technician, check this out. This is very, very bad. And we have a physical damage right here. You can see the boost coil right here is not good. You can see you have a physical damage. Alright, technician, from the look of things here, you can see that we have a lot of solder paste right here. The whole board is shorting. I don't know work on the phone before, but I can't condemn anybody work, but you know, I'll fix it, okay? I'll fix it. It's not a problem. I'll fix it. So the only thing I will do here is for me to remove the component, affected component right here, and then mount it back, okay? If you check near the power IC, you have a lot of issues in the power IC side. Right here near the CPU, we have a lot of solder paste, and I have to remove those IC and reboil and mount them back. So this is the PCB after I was done reboiling the ICs, and during the process I discovered that the power IC was not working, so I have to change the power IC. The only thing remaining now is for me to work on this bose coil area. By the technician, if you want to learn phone repairs, I'm ready. Send me message, okay? Check my number on the screen. This is my WhatsApp number. Send me message. I'll respond to you. If I don't respond fast, just wait. Just have in mind that I will respond. If you don't see my message in less than 24 hours, please message me again. Just drop me hi. Drop me any message like hi, hello. I will check your message and respond to you. Check this out. I'm a technician, so I have to take my time to make sure I clean. I check the capacitors. I make sure that they are well connected. Everything is good. I take my time to do this. My technician, you can see it's not a rushing work. So this is the phone after I was done, and let me turn on the phone for you guys to see. My dear technician, please and please and please, like I said before, I will not show you everything. Please, I keep some things from my students. Working iPhone is something that I love and I do nearly every time, guys. So I cannot show you everything online, guys. If you want to learn, come to my physical class. I will teach you, okay? I will teach you. Just come to my physical class. I will teach you. Check this out. As a technician, I'm taking my time. It's not a rushing work. You have to take your time to do this. So wait, you will see the trigger. One, two, ready, and let's go. And boom, you can see the CPU running. You can see the NAND, and right here, boom, you can see the Apple logo. So the phone is back to life. Guys, the phone is back to life. Check this out. Check this out. The phone is back to life. And check how it is right now. The phone is back to life. You can see it's touching very well. Everything is working perfectly. Guys, if you have any phone, any iPhone that is not turning on, or you want me to swap the CPU, the NAND, the EEPROM to a new fresh working board, there's no problem. My technician, give me work. Give me work. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye for now.